Hi, I'm Joy from EIMOR Customs. So here again we present you another build of ours. So this is the latest build from our workshop. This is a cafe racer built out of a Royal Enfield Classic 350. So this was a very interesting project to do. Our client had a very clear-cut understanding of what he needs. He wanted an authentic cafe racer built out of his Classic 350. It would have the typical cafe racer tank. It would have a flatbed seat, but he somehow didn't want a clip-on handle. So the handle part is somehow like a scrambler. So what have we done? We have taken a 19 and 18-inch standard configuration wheels with big block button tires, and we have kept it spoke because spoke gives you that vintage authentic look. And in the front we have used this die-casted yellow glass smaller headlights. The placement of the ammeter and the speedometer has also been changed, and as you can see that we have changed the way the mudguards are fitted. In the back side also we have made a flat bed platform which is done out of bending a single piece of pipe, and there's a tail part which actually prevents mud from spilling. Though there are things which compromises the look, but if we focus on practicality, this is a much needed thing. Coming to the air filter part, the air filter part arrangement has also not been disturbed. So it still takes intake from these filters. There is this air chamber and it goes to the carburetor. But this vent has been designed in a way to give it a more raw and industrial feel. The silencer, as you can see, it's a megaphone silencer. And the other side also, the utility side boxes has been removed on both sides, as you can see. This side also has been removed and replaced with a parallel panel to the ground. And coming to the paint scheme, the requirement was clear, said very clear from the very beginning that it would be a matte finish one. So we had a different plan and it changed with time. So finally we thought that we'll go for a lighter olive matte. And the seat was initially decided that it would be black, but somehow what made us think, we don't know. But finally we decided that the seat should be green because this is not something which is seen so often. So as you can see, this is a green leatherite material, and overall this adds to the beauty. And for the handle grips, as you can see, we have used Builtwell natural rubber handle grips. These are the very authentic cafe racer type old school handle grips, and the fonts have been carefully chosen. These are very vintage old school signage fonts that were popular in the 60s and the 70s. And there is a center band of parallel lines which connects which maintains an uniformity from the front mudguard to the tank and to the rest of the bike. This bike looks absolutely stunning and this rides like a dream. It's absolutely beautiful, and we are hopeful that you guys will love this work. So please subscribe to our channel, East India Motorcycle Revolution. Do like, share and subscribe and share the good words. Thank you.